team, many people are facing this type of issues. Like when you are creating a controlling area, you are getting a message that data in company code is not maintained. That means when you are creating controlling area, your chart of accounts and fiscal year variant is mandatory, and your currency is also mandatory. So in our case, you have to go and check those things, whether the chart of accounts is created, fiscal year variant is maintained or not. So what I will do, so quickly, we already know how to create chart of accounts and how to create a fiscal year variant also. I'll just create one quick chart of accounts once again, OX13, or you want me to show you the T code, the path? Okay, OB13. So go to general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation. OB13 is the T code, execute. I'm creating chart of accounts. So before that, I need to verify whether I have created chart of accounts or whether I have assigned. My company code is BR77. See, there is no chart of accounts. This is one issue. If this is how to rectify this issue, I need to create my chart of accounts. Position or not position, create BR77, operating chart of accounts. This is English language. 6 digits up to 10 we can take, but we are taking only 6 digits. Save. Now assign your chart of accounts to your company code. Position B or 77, BR77, save. One prerequisite is we have completed. One more prerequisite is fiscal year variant. So I will go and verify. Where is fiscal year? It is under global settings, ledgers, fiscal year and posting period. We know V3 is for India, K4 is for US. We already know it. So just let me check whether the assignment is available or not in our company code. B or 77 is our company code. Assignment is not there. I'll just keep it as V3 and ignore this, no problem. Or better give something. Okay. So you will not get any errors going forward. You and your friend also will not get if you maintain this. Okay. Now these two are prerequisite for controlling area. Now I'll try to create controlling area. So okay, KP is the controlling area. Since we are just working on the issue, I am going with shortcuts only. I have opened the screen, configuration screen. Okay. Now OK KP, new entries, controlling area is equal to company code BR77. Now we are not getting this issue. So because of this chart of accounts and fiscal year variant, we are getting data maintenance issue. And why I am explaining this, there is one more important point here. It's an interview question also. They will ask you like, if I wanted to create controlling area, what is the prerequisite? They will ask you this question. Prerequisite is chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. Without that, you have seen the error, right? So that is one thing. Okay. Thank you.